How's it going, guys? Instant Crypto here, and today we're going to be talking about Zilliqa and why is everybody spamming and talking about Zilliqa so much. Let's get right into it, guys. First, I want to say before we start the video, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Guys, we are at 3,971 subscribers. Literally just 29 more people and we get to 4,000 subscribers. We would be 4,000 subscribers strong, and we are in the Discord server right now. By the way, if you want to join the Discord server, it is in the description below. We are at 120 members in the Genix team right over here. As you guys can see, I said it right there. That is awesome. What a great milestone to be able to achieve on the Genix team, guys. So I would love to see you guys there. Make sure you guys say hi or whatever you guys want to say, or whatever is your favorite coin or whatever. All right, guys, so let's get right into the video. Now, first I want to show you guys all the spam that my own channel has been getting from Zilliqa. Look at this. After I have received 20,000 free coins, have from Zilliqa's airdrop of my airdrop, I begin to trust in a freebie. I begin to trust in a freebie. That's a weird thing to say. Zilliqa has really great perspectives. The design team is also very skilled. It is not improbable that Zilliqa will become one of the leaders of cryptocurrency growth in 2018. Take part in their airdrop while the going is good. Airdrop news, blah, blah, blah. Now, by the way, guys, there is no such thing as an airdrop for Zilliqa. Let's completely take away that. These are literally scammers trying to take your money, your private keys, or whatever the heck they can take from you. This is literally a scammer right here, because as you can see right over here, I am on the official website of Zilliqa, and if you look right over here where it says security advisory, let me scroll a little down so you can see security advisory. We are aware of ongoing scam attempts that involves the use of phishing website. The website in particular is asking for users' private key information in order to participate in Zilliqa airdrop. Please note that this is a scam and there is no airdrop. Stay safe. Guys, be careful. These spammers that are saying that there is airdrops for Zilliqa are not real. There is no airdrop for Zilliqa. I really want you guys to understand that. For those of you who are invested in Zilliqa, please be aware on the comments, and please be aware of, you know, people trying to take your crap, right? Look at my spam folder right here. 191 likely spam. I want to speak about Zilliqa. It's a very prospective coin. For a few years, you could give 100 and even 1,000 exit. Go to myairdrop.ru/token Zilliqa. As you can see, this is not the website of Zilliqa. It's myairdrop.ru/whatever the heck the page is in the website on pretty much, you see, look, myairdrops.info/Zilliqa token here. Make the review money of Zilliqa. Yesterday I received coins from their airdrop. Here I think it is better to hold or sell, blah, blah, blah. Zilliqa, I adore you. Yesterday, 32,000 tokens came from airdrop. Free tokens.online. Not much, but it is pleasingly. I shall wait for the growth up to $10. By the way, guys, it says right over here up to $10. The actual, and what they mean is it might go up to $10. This is one of those coins that have such a high total supply, and that's why you know, the value shows as such a low value. But really, this is actually a pretty high value right now for this kind of coin with this kind of supply, this kind of circulating supply, and all this kind of stuff. This is a pretty high market cap, and it is in rank 26, as you can see, which is pretty high. Top 50 cryptocurrencies out there for Zilliqa, as you can see right there. Now, what they're saying is that this coin would have so much of a market cap that it would show $10 right here. Now, obviously, that can be real, because as you can clearly see from the past, Ripple had that kind of similarity in the past, right? So it is possible, but please be aware that the only reason why coins that are like this with such low pricing is because their total supply is so high. Remember, the market cap, pretty much, not the market cap, this number right here, as you can see, the value of the coin, it's pretty much influenced by the market cap and its total supply. It is influenced by that. So don't just see it as, oh, look, it's so cheap, I could get one whole Zilliqa for this price. Look at the total supply, look at the market cap, see if it has a high value currently. Alright, guys, now let's start talking more in depth about Zilliqa. First thing I want to address of Zilliqa is, well, obviously with all this spam, all this airdrop crap, and all this kind of other things, you would have to, you know, assume or wonder, is Zilliqa itself a scam coin, a spam coin, whatever the heck? Well, let's actually go to the website and let's find out for ourselves instead of just looking at all these comments to see what Zilliqa really is all about. Now, right over here on their official website, Zilliqa.com, it shows right here that they claim that it is the next gen high throughput blockchain platform. What do they mean by high throughput? Pretty much a lot of transactions can go through the network, and the more transactions, the more secure and safe and quicker everything can be. You wouldn't have to wait for your transaction to settle. It'll just happen somewhat instantaneously, kind of like how debit cards are and all that stuff. It's called TPS. All right. Right over here it says they released a public test net. Zilliqa is looking for high self-motivated software engineers. Please check out the career page. And we already addressed this no airdrop kind of thing. Now, as you can see, they have been talked about by a lot of people in their own website. This is what they claim and what they say. I'm pretty sure it's true. These are the websites that talked about them from what they say. And it says over here, our partners, these are their partners. I'm assuming it's true also that those are actually their partners. It says over here, our latest large-scale testnet trial run. Quick capture results seen in our experiment conducted daily on our testnet. All nodes currently run on this instances. This right here, 6 shards, 3,600 nodes. And then it shows some more information right down here. And it shows their social medias all the way in the bottom. So, for the most part, it does look like this website is pretty well constructed, you know. It does seem like something is going on. But before we even make our mind up of anything in Zilliqa, let's look at their about page really quickly. So Slack, I'm pretty sure Slack is one of those conversation places, kind of like Telegram. Zilliqa is the world's first high throughput public blockchain platform designed to scale to thousands of TPS, transactions per second. Zilliqa brings the theory of sharding to practice with its novel protocol that increases transaction rates as its network expands. The platform is tailored towards enabling secure, data-driven, decentralized apps designed to meet the scaling requirements of machine learning and financial algorithms. Zilliqa has been under research and been developed for 2 years and powers several groundbreaking deployments commercially. Built to scale, a new blockchain with a clean slate designed to scale by orders of magnitude, data flow smart contracts, a new smart contract paradigm designed with high parallelism, atomic comets, and user-defined security budget, quantifiable security, blockchain protocols with strong probabilistic security guarantees. All right, so it seems like we're gonna look at their little, you know, thing right here, their little roadmap, but it seems like what Zilliqa is saying is we are the next generation technology when it comes to blockchain and TPS scaling and all these kind of things. That is what Zilliqa is claiming to be. I'm assuming it to be correct and true. Now let's go right over here in the bottom of their roadmap. Project Zilliqa started in June 2017. Says right over here is when their white paper released on September 2017. Released results of internal testnet. Released Scylla design doc. Released results of internal testnet. Pretty much so far and so forth. Now here's like Q1, Q2 news on what they have. Says right over here in March 2018. What they mean by quarter, by the way, is pretty much the quarter of the years. The first quarter of the year, second quarter of the year, third quarter of the year, fourth quarter of the year. Pretty much what they want to accomplish in those times. Right? So if the second quarter, pretty much they're saying in the middle of 2018. So March 2018 testnet v1.0 release, middle of 2018 testnet v2.0 release. It's pretty much they're trying to update their testnets and mainnets and all that stuff in the, you know, the 3/4 of 2018 mainnet launch, and pretty much towards the end of 2018 they want to get this Anchor DApp release. So to be honest, guys, from what I'm seeing so far, let's also look at their team. It's always good to see faces. I'm going to be showing you guys their Twitter and 2 of the most latest stories also of Zilliqa. So make sure you guys keep watching this video. I'm trying to click for the team right over here. So this is their team. These are the people that they have. I'm assuming it to be correct. They would not have people's faces if it were not to be true. A lot of people look into these kind of things, you know. So as you can see right over here, we have a lot of faces. Right over here it says see more. I'm pretty sure, you know, to get their Twitter, look at their Twitter, whatever. They have their Twitter page that you could see if you want to. They have developers, they have people in their team, their advisors, as you can see. They have a lot of things going for them so far. It looks like Zilliqa is very legit. I'm assuming that all these comments and all these fake airdrops and all these scammers are putting a bad name for Zilliqa. Because to be honest, when I first started seeing literally hundreds of Zilliqa spams on my channel, I was assuming that Zilliqa was a scam coin. But from what is shown to me in front of my eyes on their actual website, it seems like they're pretty legit, to be quite honest. Now, let's get into their Twitter. Let's look at their Twitter. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's see what they're trying to do or what they're even trying to claim. Zilliqa, no, not giving away ETH. Next generation high throughput blockchain platform designed to scale. Slack, Telegram, pretty much the areas where, you know, you could join in the conversations and stuff. You could tweet, blah, blah, Zilliqa.com. We already checked that out. All right, so they have 41.8K followers. That's a lot of people following them. And then over here, it has their latest tweets. Let's just look through their latest tweets, see what they're saying. It says over here, Zilliqa says, our latest presentation is available here with a new section on smart contracts. Check it out here and let us know your thoughts. All right, and then this guy, GIO, they pretty much retweeted him. And it says, glad to share my knowledge of scaling solutions and Zilliqa, especially our new smart contract language, Skilla and GIAC, and University at China. All right, and it looks pretty interesting, looks pretty good, pretty legit. Zilliqa right here, smart poll presentation by Loy Luz. Is that person? No. All right, at the blockchain technical reading session today, right there, looks pretty legit. And then so on and so forth. They pretty much have their updates, what they're doing, what they're talking about. Seems legit so far, to be honest. And it shows why everybody's talking about it. In the title, I say, why is everyone talking about Zilliqa? Well, it shows because it has great potential and a lot of people want to exploit, you know, Zilliqa by faking airdrops and all that stuff, making people go to these airdrops and then getting their private keys and all these kind of things and stealing money from people. That's so something that I've learned in life is pretty much humans try to exploit or try to grow and prosper and all that stuff, and that's a good thing. I'm not saying that's bad. The more we exploit, the more stronger companies and all these other things become, right? In the beginning of the age of the internet, there was a lot of hackers and all that stuff, and pretty much what happened is they exploited the shit out of everything. So what happened? We started getting white hat hackers. If you guys don't know about hacking, there's something called white hat hackers, black hat hackers. I know that sounds a little like racist, I guess, to some people, but that's just the names that they use. So the white hat hackers are pretty much like the defensive hackers and all that stuff, pretty much the people that secure networks and all these things and prevent it from the black hat hackers. And then obviously the black hat hackers are people that are trying to scam, doing phishing with PH and all these kind of other things. So, you know, that's just a little bit of that. Now, let's go into the latest 2 stories on different websites. It says right over here at CryptoRecorder.com. Investor Insight buys Zilliqa, so they're pretty much saying to buy it and smile all through the month of June. Okay, the cryptocurrency market has been sending mixed messages. Okay, cool. So it says, why should you buy Zilliqa? Zilliqa is a digital asset that was introduced through a crowd sale that was carried out at the end of 2017. The altcoin has been gaining traction in the first quarter of 2018 and has managed to catch the attention of investors for its cutting-edge technology. Its open-source blockchain has been developed to achieve high scalability levels while still remaining decentralized. It also focuses on ensuring high-speed transaction, 1,389 ticks per second, or transactions per second. I don't know why I said ticks. It aims to beat Ethereum on every aspect to become the sought-after protocol for dApps, which is what they were working on, I believe, that dApps thing in their last quarter. Right, and then this next story over here says Zilliqa, Decred, whatever the other ones, May's crypto winners bucked a brutal trend. So pretty much what this story is in dailyhodl.com, they're pretty much just touching up on the coins that did the best and the coins that did the worst. It says here, May of 2018 was a month most crypto holders would love to forget. The market sank from a market cap of 417 billion to 334 billion, with Bitcoin falling more than 15%. Pretty crazy. But it says here are a look at some of the month's top gainers for the whole month of May, and Zilliqa is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on 6th place, getting a 14.29%, you know, gain. That's awesome. And then here's the coins that pretty much did the worst, with Cardano being the worst and IOTA being the least worst, pretty much. So that's what I have on Zilliqa, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, guys. Like I said, we just need 29 more people to get to 4,000. I would love for you guys to join the Genix team. And like I said in the description below, you can join the Discord. I would love to see you guys in the Genix team. We have 120 people. We'd love to see more people in the Genix team, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave a like. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.